Baieid, come my love, come with me. We will rejoice. Bro's doing all his cool. That brother there wearing all his cool shit. Yo, what's up, people? Khasi, Megalian, Kumnopilong, Paralok. Welcome back. Hope everyone is doing well, guys. So we are back again with another amazing music reaction, guys. Yes, the music title is One Baieid. One Baieid. I just checked it out. I watched the music video. It's like Come My Love. Baieid. And Sim Jonga. We are reacting to One Baieid. Come, my love. Okay, come. I need you. You have to come today. Let me know you. Okay. Today we have a very interesting music title here. Official music video by Mewan D Sawian with English subtitle. Thank you for providing English subtitle, guys. You know, guys, like this is another thing I also want to talk about it, but at the end. For now, let's just start, guys. We want to see who is going to be my One Baieid. Let's go check it out. Amos Studio is here. Yes, let's go, Mewan. Mewan is my first time reacting to Mewan. We have amazing dancers here. So from those dancers, maybe we will have our One Baieid. It's through your love. Now I am happy every day. I don't want to lose for what I have got. I have applied love you. It goes on, but you are the only one for me in this world. Oh, oh, oh. Come my love, and we'll be so glad. To the paradise happiest moment. Only you and me are not. Hey, let's do it, ladies. Hey, hey, 1, 2, 3, let's go. One Baieid, I'm gonna come with me. Rejoice and hey, 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 only you and me. Oh, oh, Are not only, I need one, are not one Baieid, are not one Baieid. Wait, the sun keep waiting every day. I love you night and day. Oblay si Bon. Together till the end, Baieid. Come with me, we will rejoice and we'll be so glad. To the paradise happiest moment, we'll go now. Only you and me. Hey. Hey, 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 hey. I thank God for His precious blessing shown upon us in His heart. Baieid, come my love, come with me. We will rejoice. Bro's doing all his cool. That brother there wearing all his cool shit.
Paradise ngin ya let menta
Hey boys, do something, man. The ladies are even dancing better than you. To the paradise we will go now, okay? It's only you and me. Wow, wow, wow. This is amazing, okay? Where is my one Bayed? To the paradise, me and you only, one Arnold. Me and you will go together, only Arnold, okay? That was amazing, guys. I love it. I love it, guys. It's my first time to react to Mewan. Mewan, brother, amazing. You came out with something lead. This is something lead. Amazing. I love it. It's really so meaningful, so lovely, so inspiring. And yeah. It's good. The music video is good, guys. And I just love everything because the music subtitle was, the English subtitle was there, which made me to understand it, and it was so easy and so easy to understand. And coming back to the dancers, guys, wow, the ladies, congrats, bravo, ladies, the ladies, they did so good, they did so good, they really performed so well in this music video. But coming to the boys, I'm really so sorry, I have to tell you guys were just there doing nothing, man. I don't know, where you guys, did you guys arrange something to perform, or it was just like, let's just move with Mewan? Was the movement with Mewan, or you guys were having a special performance? Because I can see the ladies, they were having a good understanding of the performance or of their dance. But for the boys, oh man, boys were just there. Rockless, it's not rocking. But ladies, you rock it, okay? You did well. But anyway, it was overall, the music was good, guys. Everything was good, guys. Mewan, keep doing your work, brother. You're going well, amazing. It's my first time to see your music video. Yeah, the song is amazing, guys. It's really amazing. Love from Africa. Till next time, I'm waiting for my one Bayed, okay? Love you all. God bless you all. Love from Africa.